Hello beta, good morning. So we have seen first classification of elements. That theory was given by Dobenius. But next one is Newland's law of octaves. Next theory was proposed by Newlands. What do you mean by octaves? Octave means 8, means every 8th. It depends on every 8th element. That's why its name is octave. Octagon you have seen in maths. Octagon means 8 sides. So oct means 8. Newland's law of octaves. Scientist John Newlands in 1866 he arranged the then known elements in the order of increasing atomic mass. Dobenius also arranged the elements in the order of increasing atomic mass, and Newlands also arranged the elements in the increasing atomic mass, and he told that the chemical properties of every 8th element will be same as the first element. For example, he has used music sa re ga ma pa da ni. So you can see here sa re ga ma pa da ni, and 8th one is sa again. So first music is sa and 8th one is again sa. So sa re ga ma pa da ni, and again 8th one is sa. So he told that every 8th element, suppose if you will start from 2, your 8th number will be 9. If you will start from 3, your 8th number will be 10. So every 8th element from the starting point resemble the same properties. Understood? If you will start from 1, so 1 and 8th element, suppose 8, so chemical properties of 1 and 8 will be same. Understood beta? Just take the example. Here some elements are written on the basis of increasing atomic mass. You can see here it's not difficult for you to write the name, because you have learned the first 20 elements. So hydrogen, helium is not there, because helium, neon, argon, these are the noble gas which discovered very late, because they are unreactive. That's why, so you have to just skip them, and after that you can arrange hydrogen, after that helium, leave that helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, again leave neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, potassium and calcium. So up to 18 you have learnt in 9th standard. For 10th standard, first to 20 elements only, just learn the symbol and atomic mass or whatever of only first to 20 elements. So just focus on here, no need to memorize these elements in the order. So first 20 you can write. So according to Newlands told that when elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic mass, so I will write here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, again 8. So Newlands told that when elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic masses, the properties of 8th element are a repetition of the properties of first element. So just see the example. So according to Newlands, first element is hydrogen, and 8th element, just count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. According to him, properties of all elements in this row will be same. Properties of all element in this row has similar properties. This row has similar properties. Understood? Wait a minute. Okay. So similarly, if you write here sa re ga ma pa da ni and again sa, so Similar here, size repeated here. So in the same manner, Newlands told that when elements are arranged in increasing atomic mass, means mass of lithium is more than hydrogen, mass of beryllium is more than lithium, mass of boron is more than beryllium. So when you will arrange elements in the increasing atomic mass, every eighth element resemble or repeat the same chemical properties of the first. So अगर सपोज जस्ट सपोज ओनली अगर आप यहां से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो मीन्स फ्रॉम 2, सो जस्ट काउंट द एट्थ एलिमेंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. If you start from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, so every eighth element will be resemble the same properties. I am repeating again. Newlands law of octaves states that when elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic masses, the properties of eighth element are the repetition or resembles the same properties of the first element. If you are counting from here, your eighth element will be fluorine. If you start from lithium, your eighth element will be sodium. If you start from the magnesium, your eighth element will be calcium. So every eighth element will have same chemical properties. Understood? There is no confusion. In simple manner, आपको क्या समझना है कि अगर आप कोई भी नंबर्स को अरेंज कर रहे हो ऑर्डर में, तो हर 8वें नंबर को फर्स्ट के नीचे लेकर के आओ. 2 से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो 8 काउंट करो, जहां है उसके नीचे लिखो. सो एवरी एलिमेंट, ऑल एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट इन दैट रो will resemble the same chemical properties. Understood beta? I am repeating again. Newlands law of octaves states that when elements are in the order of increasing atomic masses, the properties of every eighth elements have a same chemical properties. Simple, but there are some limitations as well. We know that we are following modern periodic table. It's mean that like we have seen in say 9th standard, Rutherford and J.J. Thomson have given atomic theory, but that theory were failed. So similar in here, classification of elements, Dobenius given the theory, but that theory was failed because he has given only 3 triads. No more explanation about other elements present at that time. Okay, at that time only 30 elements were present when theory was given by Dobenius, but when Newlands has given the theory, that time 56 elements were known. Just keep in mind, 56 elements were known. Okay, so what are the limitations of Newlands? So the limitations of Newlands were, first limitation, just note it down, I will provide notes as well, but just listen properly. First limitation was the theory made by Newlands was valid up to calcium only, means here only, means starting from hydrogen and till the calcium, means after calcium that theory are not valid. How? Let's see. You can see here is the Fe. Fe is iron and here is cobalt and nickel. Chemical properties of cobalt, nickel and iron are similar, but they are not resemble together. They are far from each other. So what are the limitation? Point wise point, just note it down or listen. First point is law proposed by the Newlands was valid up to calcium only, means Newlands told that every 8th element resemble the same properties, but that theory were assembles only up to calcium, or you can say that only for light elements. Light elements means when you will go further, the atomic mass will increase. So after and when you will go from the more than the calcium, so atomic mass in every next elements has more atomic mass. So after calcium, other elements are known as heavy elements. So this theory was only valid till the calcium. First limitation, after calcium this theory was failed. And second, he told that time in 1866 only 56 elements were present, and he told that in future never ever no new elements will discovered. अंडरस्टूड बेटा, मतलब उन्होंने बोला कि अगर आज 56 एलिमेंट्स है तो फ्यूचर में भी 56 एलिमेंट्स ही रहेगा, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं रहेगा. बट प्रेजेंट वी नो दैट देयर आर 118 एलिमेंट्स आर देयर. सो फर्स्ट theory, first limitation was it was valid up to calcium only, that theory. And second, he assumed that only 56 elements existed in nature and no more would be discovered in future, but later on we know that several elements were discovered. Third limitation is he has put two elements together. Just see here, cobalt and nickel. Here he put two elements. So if you are arranging the elements on the basis of increasing atomic mass, so how can you put two elements together? It's mean that if you are putting two elements together, it means that atomic mass of both elements are same, but not. So third failure is he put two elements in one slot. And fourth limitation is iron, cobalt, here iron and here cobalt and nickel, all three elements resembles the same chemical properties but was placed far away to each other. Understood beta? There are four limitations. I'm repeating again. I'm repeating from starting. Newlands told that when we will arrange elements in increasing atomic mass, chemical properties of every eighth element will be same as the first element. Just keep in on 8 means अगर आप 1 से start कर रहे हो तो 8th one is your 8th element, but if you count from second, your 9th will be the 8th element. Understood beta? And why their theory is failed? Because only their theory was valid for calcium. For second thing, he told that only 56 elements are nature, and then in future there will not be any new elements will discovered, but we know that there are 180 elements. It means that new elements were discovered. And third thing, he has put two elements in one slot. And fourth thing, iron, cobalt and nickel resemble the same properties, but they are placed very far from each other. Understood beta? So this is the theory of Newlands. In next video we will see theory proposed by Mendeleev. Thank you beta.